Hello boys and girls, it's phonics time, and in today's lesson we will be labeling these pictures, and some of you can just write the first sound, that's okay, but I wish that all of you will write the whole word for each this picture. For example, look over here. Here I see a hat. 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 Let's write it down. Hat. The next one is hand. Again, say the word hand and listen to the sounds that you hear when you are saying this word hand. Hand. Can you write it down? Let's do it together. Hand. Here is hat, and here is hand. Remember, this is This is letter A, which makes sound in words, and this is letter E, which makes sound in words. Repeat after me. Say Okay, here now. Bed. B, d. B, d. And you can put your fingers like this and see where is B and where is D. B, d. B, d. Write the word down here under this picture. The next one is mat. Mat. Write the word. The next one is pan. I can hear 3 sounds, so I want you to write 3 letters. And the last one for today is jam. Jam. How many sounds do you hear when you say jam? J, j, jam. So write j, jam. Again, let's go back to these 2 letters. Like an apple, like an egg. Remember to write your words, take a picture and send it to your teacher.